Good morning, dear student. Our section B is going on, and today I'll complete the task of debate writing. Debate and speech both are on the same pattern, but the way of presentation is quite different. In speech, we used to speak on a topic in a favorable manner. Both things can be included there, but while taking participate in a debate competition or in debate writing, we have to care only one thing. Either we have to write down in favor in motion of the topic, or we have to write down against the topic. So it required some of the basic skills how to present an impressive and effective debate before others. Nowadays, you are residing at home in Corona, so you can watch on TV. A number of debate sessions are going on, but in Hindi you can't get nothing. So you must watch an English news channel to learn how to perform an effective debate. Okay. So, what is debate writing? The first and the foremost step is to choose the side, whether you want to write for or against the motion. Whatsoever topic is given before you, you have to decide it yourself that if I am capable or able to speak in favor or against the topic. Always try to select the side you personally want to support and have more material information to write on. The most important thing is that your your preparation for the topic. If you have sufficient material to speak in favor of the topic and your interest is also like there, so definitely you must participate there in favor of that. Okay, it is preferable to make a choice during the reading time. An ideal debate must consist of four paragraphs: introduction or salutations, problem, solution and then conclusion. जब भी हम डिबेट वाद विवाद प्रतियोगिता में पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं तो इट हाउ टू स्टार्ट इट प्लेज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल. हमारी जो स्टार्टिंग होती है वो सबसे ज़्यादा इफेक्टिव होनी चाहिए. इंट्रोडक्शन के तुरंत बाद वी हैव टू रेज द प्रॉब्लम. जो टॉपिक दिया हुआ है, जो प्रॉब्लमेटिक टॉपिक है, उससे रिलेटेड जितना हम बैठ जा सकते हैं प्रॉब्लम्स को हमें फाइंड आउट करना. सेकंड नंबर पर उस प्रॉब्लम का सॉल्यूशन क्या क्या हो सकता है, कैसे हो सकता है. एंड एट लास्ट इन कंक्लूजन यू हैव टू अपील टू द ऑडियंस. जो ऑडियंस आपको सुन रहे हैं उनसे आपको अपील करना. So let us discuss each of them in detail. First, introduction. This includes salutations and the topic. For example, good morning everyone, esteemed judges, honorable guests, respected teachers and my fellow students. Okay. Names are always given in the question paper. Feel honored to have been given the opportunity to speak for or against the topic, the name of the topic. So as you used to speak in speech, in the same way you have to present here in debate. So both things are common in speech and debate. Introductory part is 99% is common, but you have to use only the last line, feel honored to have been given the opportunity to speak for or against. These two words plays a vital role. They are the key factor of debate writing, against or for. Number two, body. Body means problem. The problem of the topic. What are the problems? You have to think about that what may be the problem related to that topic. So that is the body main content part is here. This is the main paragraph or the body of your answer. Always begin with the meaning of the topic or the explanation of the topic in not more than a line. Whatsoever topic is given, you have to explain about that. Okay? Then start quoting the source. Now here it is important you follow a sequence. It is possible that you have too many points or very few points when you have a lot of varied points. It is better you choose a few best ones and write a line on each. We should use always selected facts or data while speaking or writing about a topic. A number of data or facts can't be elaborate because due to the lack of time. In debate, we have a selected time and limit of the words. So always use your best details, your best data related to that topic. Make sure Make sure you are clear with your thoughts. Only then you will be able to put them into words. First of all, you should think the topic whatsoever is mentioning there. Have you a good command over that or not? Either in favor or against. Secondly, you must think about the data facts related to that topic. That plays an essential role there. Okay. Next is solution. For every problem, there is a solution. This paragraph needs to be short and crisp, whereby you are supposed to give a rational and practical solution for all the above problems. Whatsoever is the problems, you have to provide an effective and practical solution for that problem. Okay? In case you are not able to figure one out, keep in mind a few general ones. It could involve spreading awareness, campaigns, strength laws, and their strict implementation, education, etc. These are the common facts. Common topics are for related to debates. Using a quote never hurts. It can be general ones like on working together. Every situation can be faced and solved if there is unity. So here are a few handy ones. Here are some handy ones for you. You can use them. Wherever there is unity, there is always victory. Unity is strength. United we stand, divided we fall. And many more you can select and collect in your register. The work should be started from today, because all the general and the important topics of the burning issues of the days are related in debate or speech competition. So you must get preparation from today for your board examinations. That's the sense. Okay. So you should note down some quotes. Last is conclusion. This part involves clarification of your statement and stance along with thanking the audience for being such patient listeners. In the same we used to write down in speech writing. Okay. Same pattern you have to applicable here in debate. This paragraph needs to be short and precise. Here also you could add some glitter to your art piece with some quotes like the word impossible itself says I am possible. Yeah. How to make impressive as how to make your personality impressive. It should be admirable by others, appreciated by others. So how you carry your personality in the same way. When you note down or you speak before others, you must have something special. Some special quotes must be used. Okay. In class 12th, you will get 10 marks. Same for speech or here for debate, 10 marks. But in class 11th, it stands only for 8 marks. Okay. Things to remember while attempting a question on debate writing. When we are going to attempt a question for debate writing, following points should be kept in our mind. You can read them easily, and special, don't do something there. Don't never write in one go. Make sure you follow the right format and make paragraphs. Some of the students used to the same thing. They note down topic the topic in a whole paragraph. In a single paragraph they mention, so it is never possible to judge the introductory part, content, problem, solution, nothing can be just there. So you lose your 50% marks there. So always use four paragraphs to make your debate impressive. Don't use slangs or short forms. No abbreviation can be used in debate or speech. Always write complete word. Don't write wrong facts. Never try to deceive the others, because if you are using some deceptive facts there, definitely you are losing your confidence. Okay, so be careful. Try not to exceed the prescribed word limit of 150 to 200 words, and do not invest too much time in just this question. Be careful, because the target is of 100, so we have to manage our word limit. So always before attempting a question, we should care one thing, we should keep one thing in our mind, that how much we know about the topic. So a well-known topic should be used, should be solved there. Now here is a question for you. You are Mukul or Mahima of Alf Public School. Your school has organized a debate on social media and its effects, and you will be participating from your school. Prepare your views against or in favor of the motion. Social media and its effects. So, first of all, you will mention clear way social media and its effects for the motion or for the against. So here is some quote. We are all now connected by the internet like neurons in a giant brain. It is a self-developed quote. Okay. So you can do in the same way. Next, you have to start the introductory part. Honorable judges, teachers and my worthy opponents. वर्दी ओपोनेंट्स, जो मेरे विरोधी हैं, मैं तो इसके अगेंस्ट वो मैं इसके फेवर में बोल रहा हूँ, जो इसके अगेंस्ट बोलेंगे उनके लिए वर्ड आया वर्दी ओपोनेंट्स. थैंक यू फॉर गिविंग मी द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू ज्वाइन दिस डिबेट ऑन द टॉपिक. टॉपिक लिखना तो उसमें इनवर्टेड कॉमास में हम मेंशन करेंगे. सोशल मीडिया एंड इट्स इफेक्ट्स. टाइटल कैन बी यूज्ड इन capital letters as well. Then I am Mukul or Mahima and I would like to speak in favor of the motion. So this is the introductory part. Now this is your content. Problems. How many people do not have a smile on their faces on finding an old friend on Facebook? Well, social media has removed all the barriers and boundaries to communication by bringing the globe on a single platform. While business opportunities have widened, marketers' reach has broadened. It keeps us updated about everything going on in every nook and corner of the world on a real-time basis. Nook and corner is a idiom. It means everywhere, nook and corner, everywhere. From emergency alerts, announcements, and declarations to knowing how our friends are doing has all become so convenient. It provides freedom of speech and thus enables everyone to speak their mind, not to forget the incalculable access it provides to the extensive information. They are using somewhat emergency, but you can use the emergency of the day, coronavirus. Due to coronavirus, we have to stay at home. So how can we know how we are going to study our topics? Without social media, it could never be possible to teach through this pattern. Okay. Earlier, it was used by the Doordarshan or TV channels, but nowadays all the teachers are using social media, and it has become a wide platform to teach the students. So that is the need of the time. We are staying at home, but still we are well known about the world. How many victims are growing of coronavirus? How many of them are died? Everything is well known through social media. With so much advancement and innovation, it would be an unimaginable world without having social media in it. Someone has rightly put it into words by saying social media is addictive precisely because it gives us something what the real world lacks. It gives us immediacy, direction, and a value as an individual. Thank you. So, this is the pattern. But a perfect solution of the problem should be mentioned. I suppose the word limit is not sufficient in this example, so you have to care for that. Some issues should be raised. For example, importance of social media. You are speaking in favor, so that's why importance of internet should be used. Okay, some example must be quoted there, and then the negativity, you have no right because you have to speak in favor, so you have to elaborate only the benefits, advantages of social media. And at last you have to mention thank you. You have to thank to the audience as well, as they are listening you, they have listened you patiently. Okay, so that is the lack of the answer. You have to perfect the answer. I have not given you a perfect answer, but I have given you only a platform, only clues. You have to note down it in your own words, in your notebook. Second one is against the motion. You will read it yourself, and then here are the unsolved question. Academic excellence is the only requirement for a successful career. Academic excellence is the only requirement for a सक्सेसफुल career. अगर हम हमारा एकेडमिक एक्सीलेंस है, वंडरफुल है, तो हम वास्तव में एक सक्सेसफुल कैरियर बना सकते हैं. इज इट करेक्ट और नॉट? इस पर आपको अपना व्यूज लिखने हैं. एक तरफ से फैक्ट भी और एक तरफ से नहीं भी है. जितने भी आईएएस की लिस्ट में जाते हैं वो सब सेकंड रनर अप होते हैं, टॉपर्स नहीं जाते. और कहीं कहीं पर टॉपर्स की वैल्यू बहुत होती है, तो यू हैव टू डिसाइड इट योरसेल्फ. सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज ऑनलाइन स्मार्ट क्लासेस आर द फ्यूचर ऑफ एजुकेशन स्टाइल एज यू आर फेसिंग दिस टुडे. आज की डेट में आप इन चीजों को फेस कर रहे हैं कि ऑनलाइन स्मार्ट क्लासेस क्या वास्तव में एजुकेशन स्टाइल जो चल रही है उसका फ्यूचर ही बन सकता है? फेवर भी हो सकता है, अगेंस्ट भी हो सकता है कि क्या ऑनलाइन क्लासेस के थ्रू वो टीचिंग मेथड डेवलप हो सकता है जो वास्तव में चाहिए. नेक्स्ट इज होम्स फॉर द एज्ड इज ए नेसेसिटी इन इंडिया. राइट अ डिबेट इन 150 to 100 वर्ड ईदर फॉर अ. आई थिंक इस टॉपिक में जो आपको दिया हुआ है होम्स फॉर द एज्ड इज ए नेसेसिटी इन इंडिया, कि क्या वास्तव में वो नेसेसिटी बनी हुई है कि जो एज्ड है, एज्ड पीपल है, उनके लिए जो है हमें इस तरह की होम बनानी चाहिए. क्यों और क्यों नहीं? ओके, So some of the questions are there. Are slaves responsible for the products they endorse? Taking a cue from the headlines given below and using your own ideas, write a debate for or against the topic. Amitabh Bachchan steps back from promoting Pepsi after a schoolgirl questioned the health impact of the drink. Brief ban on Maggi noodles causes trouble for its celebrity brand ambassador. सही बात है कि जो ब्रांड एम्बेसडर्स होते हैं वो उन चीजों को भी ब्रांड करते हैं जिनके साइड इफेक्ट भी हो सकते हैं। अमिताभ बच्चन पेप्सी का पहले करते थे, लेकिन जब एक बच्ची ने उनसे उसका क्वेश्चन पूछा कि इसका हेल्थ इम्पैक्ट क्या होगा, तो उसकी नेगेटिविटी को देखकर, प्रोडक्ट की जो नेगेटिविटी थी, क्योंकि दैट इज नॉट यूजफुल फॉर आवर बॉडी, अमिताभ बच्चन ने उस एड को ही छोड़ दिया। तो सेलिब्रिटीज हैं, उनका बहुत फर्क पड़ता है। पब्लिक ये सोचती है कि जब ये इस चीज का यूज कर रहे हैं तो हमें भी यूज करना चाहिए। ब्रेन ड्रेन इज नॉट ए बेन फॉर ए डेवलपिंग कंट्री लाइक इंडिया। तो ब्रेन ड्रेन की अगर हम बात करते हैं, ब्रेन ड्रेन का मीन्स क्या होता है कि जो बच्चे एक्सीलेंट एकेडमिक के होते हैं, हायर एजुकेशन गेन करने के बाद या हायर एजुकेशन के लिए वो फॉरेन कंट्रीज में चले जाते हैं और फिर वहीं पर सेटल हो जाते हैं, वहीं पर जॉब करते हैं। दैट इज नोन ब्रेन ड्रेन। यहाँ से उसने इंजीनियरिंग की डिग्री कर ली और बाहर जाके विदेश जाकर उसने अपने आप को और अपग्रेड किया और वहीं पर उसने जॉब कर लिया। दैट इज कॉल्ड एज ब्रेन ड्रेन। पहाड़ पर अगर हम देखें तो पहाड़ के सारे युवा नीचे दिल्ली जा रहे हैं, वहीं फैक्ट्री में जॉब कर रहे हैं, जबकि उनकी अपनी जमीन, अपनी खेती बाड़ी सब बेकार पड़ी हुई है। इसे कहते हैं ब्रेन ड्रेन। ओके, तो ब्रेन ड्रेन होना चाहिए, नहीं होना चाहिए, ये आपका इशू है। ऑल द टॉपिक्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। ठीक, तो इन टॉपिक्स पर आप अपने व्यूज जरूर लिखें। कोर्स जैसा बताया है उस तरीके से आप यूज करेंगे, आई एम श्योर दैट दिस इज द बेसिक स्टेप, दिस इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप towards your 12th standard. Okay, so get ready to complete the work. Have a nice day ahead.